Hello students, today in this video we will be discussing about the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure of class 9 CBSE. This is the second chapter, Is Matter Around Us Pure. Now all of you know actually there are the two type of substances generally we consider, pure substance and impure substance. So first see what is pure substance. Pure substance is those substances which are made up of only one kind of substance. Just like see, if we consider the water, only there are the water particles are present, so that means that is a pure substance. Now impure substance means obviously there will be a two or more kind of particles. Consider one example, that any solution, just like sugar solution. In sugar solution, what we are adding generally, that the sugar and water, that is the sugar solution. And see, as the sugar solution is made up of two kind of substances, so we can consider that this is an impure substance. Generally there are different type of pure and impure substances are there. If we consider the sodium only, sodium means that is a pure substance. And then if we consider any air is also an impure substance. Why the air is impure substance? Because air contains the different particles like the oxygen, nitrogen, and then oxygen, nitrogen, and then other gases are also there, so that makes it impure. Now if we move to the next thing, that means mixture. What is called the mixture? Mixture means those substances which are made up of two or more kind of particles. Just like see, soil is a mixture because soil contains different type of clay, different type of microorganisms, etc. Now after mixture there are means two different type of mixtures are there. There are the two type of mixture. One is called the homogeneous mixture, another is called the heterogeneous mixture. In homogeneous, what is homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture means those mixture which are made up of those mixture in which the particles are uniformly distributed throughout the mass. Just like see, if we consider the sugar solution or salt solution, then sugar solution and salt solution is homogeneous mixture. Here if I explain you like this way, that if you consider the sugar solution, then after making it, if you taste it from the front part, top part as well as from the bottom part, you will be getting that the means the mixtures are equally both the mixtures are equally sweets. That means see, at the bottom part of the mixture as well as the top part of the mixture contains all the particles are uniformly distributed. No separating boundary will be observed between the solute and solvent. So what I am telling here, the homogeneous mixture means those mixture in which the particles are uniformly distributed throughout the mixture. Now what is heterogeneous mixture? Heterogeneous mixture means those mixture in which the particles are not uniformly distributed everywhere or the throughout the mixture. And see, example, if I take you the chalk powder and water, so after mixing it you will be observing that at the bottom part of the number of chalk particle will be more than that of the number of chalk particle present at the top part. And again see, soil dissolved in water also, if you dissolve it, then soil will be sedimented at the bottom, and at the top part you will be observing that less amount of soil particles are present. So these are the example of heterogeneous mixture. So first of all, I think all of you have understood about the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. In the next video we will be discussing in the next topic. Okay, and I hope this video will help you to understand what is homogeneous and what is heterogeneous mixture. That's all.